see if I can get my cat in here. She's being a brat. Tabby. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna shut the door so you're not a brat for Daddy. Good morning. First things first, coffee. So today I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna bring the rug back that I bought. I went to Home Goods to buy a rug. I want a rug for my front entrance. I have one right there. I have a little rug, but it's too small. I feel like I need a longer rug. If I don't get one right now, it's okay. That's the thing about decorating my house right now. Like I'm not decorating a lot, okay? Like I'm not gonna have stuff everywhere. But the things that I'm looking for, I don't need to have it right now, and I want to get what I want. You know what I mean? I don't want to just run out and get stuff and not like it. She's rubbing all over me. You should see her. This is what she does. What do you want, honey? Look at her. Look at her. She's such a lovey girl. Today I want to go out and I'm going to look for some paint swatches. I had some, but I think I'm rethinking it. I don't know what I want to do. I get dressed right now. I gotta get dressed. I gotta go to the chiropractor first, and then I got errands. Okay, so I'm all dressed. My hair looks okay. I'm gonna show a video soon on how I've been curling my hair lately. It is so super easy. I don't curl it all over. I'll show you how I do it because several of you guys have been asking me. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm fixing my shirt because it's kind of like, so that's what I'm wearing. Jeans and my Target shoes. Can you see those? Yeah. So that's what I'm wearing today. And this necklace, can you see it? Let me see, is it straight? I love this. This is from Kendra Scott. I just got this. I wanted a really dainty necklace that I could wear every day, or if I was going out someplace dressy, I wanted to get, you know, a really pretty necklace. Oh my gosh, I have to take this polish off. I'm so embarrassed. That's what I wanted. I wanted something really dainty like that, and I love it. I love it. And, you know, these earrings, I've had these for several years now. These are the cubic zirconia earrings from Nordstrom, but they look like they're just really, really pretty. I just think they're so pretty. I wear them pretty much every single day. It's like my favorite piece right now. So, all right, I will see you guys later. Okay, so I think I found a better rug that's gonna fit better for my entryway. I think it's really pretty. It almost looks like it has like little seashells or something on it. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna get that. And look at these tables, how cool. Oh, they're glass. I thought they were plastic. That's cool. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I love it. Those are so pretty. Cute chair. I'm trying to pick out whites, and I don't know which ones to. These are like blue toned. Look green to me. I don't know. These are purple toned whites. I don't know. I have to hold these up to my wall. That one looks really green. Okay, so I just went into Home Depot and I got some paint swatches. I'm gonna go to Lowe's next. Actually, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and then Lowe's because I have to get some more paint swatches. It's so hard until I get home and I hold it up. I want a white wall still, but maybe a white that has a little bit of color, just a splash of color. Looking for a tree for my daughter's room. We're gonna get this little tree. Isn't that cute? It looks, I like how it's got like these branches on that make it look sort of real, you know? Changed our mind. We're gonna get this one because this one has lights on it. And it's normally $119 and it's $59, so that's pretty good. So we're gonna get that one. Look how cute this is. A little spray can for somebody that's crafty. That's really cute. The camera, it's cute. That is perfectly set. That's why we moved here. That's exactly what I told my husband. Right there. A sea of white paints. Which one will I choose? I don't know. White paints. So I'm gonna go home and hold them up to the wall and choose colors. That's good. Perfect. So I like the colors of that rug. I feel like I'm messy here. I like the colors of my rug. And now I'm looking at the swatches. I kind of have to talk soft because my husband's office is over there. Hopefully, can you hear me? Okay, so I'm gonna start looking at some of these swatches. The first one I put down, I like. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so that's one of them. I like that color. It's definitely gonna be a darker color for me because I like my white. But I like this color, even with the tile in here. That's what I like about this tile back here, is it's got a little bit of gray in it too. But there's so many colors you can do, you know what I mean, with that. And even in our countertops, there's a little bit of, like a little bits of gray in there. This is so pretty. I don't know, is that too much color? I'm such a white person. And that one is nice too. That one's a little more subtle. And again, it would go good with my counters because this is gonna go my whole house. I really like that too. I like that one, but I feel like it looks too yellow. That's nice, but again, is that too dark? Okay, so we're back in my filming room today. I actually might film a couple of videos in here because today's laundry day and I have nothing on my bed right now because I'm doing the laundry, and I don't have a lot of different rooms to film in because my husband works out of our house. He's actually in the room next to mine, but when I'm in this room we have enough insulation, I guess, in between the walls that I don't think he can hear me and I can't hear him. I wanted to share, I want to try this. This has been around for a couple of years. And I actually saw this on Instagram. I think it's been a couple of years. It's been at least a year. I saw this and I thought it was probably just gimmicky, but there have been some positive reviews on it. So I thought this is my last chance. This is it. This is the last time I'm gonna try to do a wing liner. I would love to do just a little flick on the side because I just think it kind of lifts your eye up a little bit. And girl, I need all the lifting. I need all the lifting I can get, you know what I'm saying? This is the vamp stamp. I ordered this and I think it was the stamp and then the ink and the brush I think was $29, something like that. I didn't think that was outrageous if it works. So the one that I got is called the Kitten. This has an L on it and the other one has an R on it. I don't know if you can see that. So one's for the left eye and one is for the right eye. And then you get this ink that comes in here if you order the set or you get it separately. I'm gonna go ahead and we will do my right eye. I'll do this one first. So I believe you take this, I gotta get my magnified mirror, and then I'll make sure you can see. You have that little opening there in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully my camera will focus on that. See that? So you want that opening to go on the opening of the bottom of your eye. So the bottom part, I believe, is gonna go on like lined up to the tip of your eye. Then you'll have like an opening in between. I hope that I'm doing this right. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna close my eye and then oh dear God, okay, this is right. Kind of stretching my eye a little bit. And I got nothing. What am I doing wrong? It's gonna be fun. Okay, it feels wet. No. What am I doing wrong, you guys? Do you see that? Like, am I doing it at the wrong angle? Let me try it again. I think I just don't have the right eye for this. It's like it's not sticking. The ink is not sticking to me. See, when I close my eye, see how it looks? Like you can see, I really made it go far up there, okay? But then when my eye is like this, like where is it? It just looks like I have a black mark there. I'm gonna play with this and I will let you guys know what I think. All right, so this is day 2 of trying the stamp. I was messing around with this last night before I went to bed. I actually woke up with a really puffy eye today. I don't think it looks as puffy right now. Yeah, it's a little bit better, but this I woke up and it was so puffy today. I don't know why. I know I have no makeup on, but I really didn't feel like putting on makeup today, so I thought today would be a good day to do the stamp thing. I don't think that this is gonna work for my eyes though. I'm just gonna tell you that. I was playing with it last night. I don't know if I just have to get the gist of it or what the deal is, but I don't think this is for hooded eyes. I'm taking my stamp, I'm putting a good amount on here because I think you gotta get a good enough amount on, and you can't wait too long because it seems like it dries really quickly. So then you take it, and this is the part that you're like, what am I doing? And I want to put it right. It's a little bit easier actually when I don't have makeup on. So I guess that's it. That's it right there. I don't think it works on hooded eyes because I don't think that does anything. See, when I close my eyes, it looks nice, you know? You know what I should have brought in here? Let me go get my liner and I will be right back. Hopefully you'll be able to see if I do it like this. Let's see. So, here. My other one is, I don't know, you guys. I think it looks stupid. That is really not for hooded eyes. I think it makes my hooded eyes look worse. Now, because, see, if I didn't have a hooded eyes, do you see how that would look? That looks cute. This looks stupid. So now let's just bring it up higher. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to bring it up really high. See how high I have to bring mine? I still don't think that looks nice on me. I really don't. Tell me what you think. Tell me as your friend what you really think. So I think it looks ridiculous. So I think I probably just took one for the team today. See, even if I do that, look how long of a line that I have. That's a pretty long line. But then once I open my eye, it's like, where'd you go? My review on the vamp stamp is that if you have hooded eyes, do not get it. I think even if you get the bigger stamp, it's not gonna matter if you have hooded eyes. It just won't. Like I said, you can kind of see that it doesn't do anything, but look at that side. I mean, let's just say I got the bigger one. If I got the, look at how I'm stretching. I got the bigger one. Like, look, I could put this all the way up here and then it'll really look stupid. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not meant for hooded eyes. So if you can wear even a little bit of a flick and it looks nice, you are really lucky. I just don't have the right eyes for it. I'm so mad about this. Well, for hooded eyes, I'm giving this a thumbs down. If you don't have hooded eyes, then this is probably a great tool for you. And we're just gonna leave it at that.